Hello students, let us learn today about adjectives, a topic from your English grammar. An adjective is a word that tells us more about a noun or pronoun, including its quality, quantity, and position. For example, it is beautiful. He gave me some books to read. Let us learn about position of adjectives in a sentence. The first one is attributive adjectives. It is an adjective that is placed just before the noun in an attributive position. In such a position, the adjective describes the noun. For example, she is an intelligent girl. He is a handsome boy. The second position of adjective is predicative adjectives. It is placed after the helping verb as a part of the predicate. For example, you look handsome. He is happy. Let us know about kinds of adjectives. Adjectives of quality. It describes size, color, shape of object or person. For example, tall, red, fair, square. The another kind of adjective is adjectives of quantity. It refers to the quantity of a noun or nouns that are uncountable. For example, some, any, much, many. The third kind of adjective is adjectives of number. It tells us how many persons or things are meant. It talks about the nouns that are countables. For example, 5, several, few, little. We use both cardinal and ordinal numbers here. The another kind of adjectives are demonstrative adjectives that point out a person or a thing. For example, this, that, these, those. The another kind of adjective is interrogative adjectives. It asks questions about a noun or pronoun. For example, what, whose, which. The another one is possessive adjectives. It shows possession or belonging of a noun or pronoun. The examples are my, your, his, her, their, our. Let us know about distributive adjectives. This distributive adjectives indicates each of the noun or pronoun. For example, each, every, all. These words are used as distributive adjectives in a sentence. Another one is emphasizing adjective. As the name says, it emphasizes on noun or pronoun they modify. For example, own, very, utter, absolute. Let us know about degree of comparison. Adjectives have 3 degrees of comparison. They are positive, comparative, and superlative. Let us know about the first one, that is the positive degree. The positive degree is used when no comparison is made. For example, he is an industrious student. The second degree of comparison is comparative degree. The comparative degree is used when the comparison is made between two objects or individuals. For example, the apples are riper than the guavas. Now here, always remember that the comparative degree is usually followed by the word than. The third degree of comparison of an adjective is superlative degree. The superlative degree is used when more than two persons or objects of same class are compared. For example, Asia is the largest continent in the world. Remember, Superlatives are always preceded by article the. Let us know about how to frame comparative and superlative degrees of an adjective. Most comparative and superlative degrees are made by adding er and est. If the adjective ends in e, then only r and st are added to the positive form of adjective. Let us see some examples like dark becomes darker, darkest is the superlative form. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Safe, safer, safest. Late, later, latest. If we refer to time. When we refer to a position, late becomes later and last. Adjectives ending in y, drop the y and take IER and IEST to form comparative and superlative degrees. Let us see examples. Happy, happier, happiest. Easy, easier, easiest. The another form is in some adjectives that have just one syllable, the last consonant is doubled. For example, thin becomes thinner in comparative form and thinnest in its superlative form of adjective. Adjectives that have more than 2 or 3 syllables take more and most to make comparative and superlative degrees. These include adjectives that end in ed, ful, full, less, less, and ing form. For example, excited becomes more excited in comparative form and most excited in its superlative form. The another example is useful changes to more useful, most useful. Amazing changes to more amazing and most amazing. Some adjectives have completely different comparative and superlative degrees. Most of them can be used as adverbs and adjectives. Let us see some examples. Good becomes better in comparative degree and best in superlative degree. Ill or bad becomes worse in comparative form and worst in its superlative form. Little becomes less or least. That can also be used as determiners. Same way, some, much or many when used in positive form changes to more in comparative form and most in superlative degrees. That's all we have for this topic. Hope you will learn it well. Thank you so much.